Alright, recently I've been having a lot of fake signups on my website. This is evident. Let me show you my email account where I get notifications of these guys trying to sign up with fake accounts. You see here I have like 97. I go and delete them, but this keeps on coming back. The guy still haunts me. Like, you delete 100 fake signups, like users, then before you know it, tomorrow someone again, you get a notification, user has been registered on your account. If you click here, you will see registration on your site, UG videos. The person uses the same username plus some random numbers. If you go here, you'll see the only difference is the numbers. So I want to show you how you can tackle this and get rid of these spam bots. These guys who use spam bots to come and sign up with fake accounts on your WordPress website. So let's go to the back end of my website. I've recently installed a plugin called Wordfence Security, but now you need to go to if you want to install, go to plugins, add new, plugins, add new. So search for Wordfence. So here is the plugin. You see I've already installed it. It's showing you active. So when you install it and you activate it, it will show up here. So you can go and tweak some settings after you've installed it. There's the dashboard, firewall, scan tools and everything. So we shall go to tools. But before we go there, let me first show you this guy who is scamming me like nothing. So we go to users, all users. So you see, this is the admin, this is me. Now see this guy. I've recently deleted, so they say 155 subscribers, and in reality it is only me as a user on this website. I do not mean that others are not invited. People are supposed to come and register, but these other guys are useless. They're just scamming, and they're just promoting their things on my website without my consent. You can read this. So he puts his name and description. He says he's a Wheel of Fortune, a game show, Texas Hold'em app for Android. So he's trying to sell an app on my website without my consent. Saloon, casino, Casa Grande, San Nicolas, free poker practice for fun. You see things like that. So I do not agree with this. This is bad. The next thing, before you know it, a guy has hacked your website and changed everything. Takes you off as an admin and he becomes the admin. So that's the reason why I'm making this tutorial. You may be also facing the same problem, but we are going to solve it with this plugin. So let's go back to our Wordfence. So if you go to tools, Wordfence, then tools, you will see here that they are showing you the recent login attempts, or people who have logged in, and the users that have logged in, registered, or anything, something like that. You see Uganda. I'm from Uganda, and that's the reason why you see they are showing you Uganda with the IP addresses and the host like I'm using mobile internet. That's why you see Airtel Uganda, because I'm using my Wi-Fi from my phone. So you see this. So this nigger here, you see, he's trying to log in into my my website using a WP login on the registration page. So he continuously registering. As he registers, creates an account and puts his information. So what do? You can even see the IP address here is the same as this, meaning it is the same guy. You see, IP address here, same as this. So what we shall do, when you click on one of the IP addresses like this, Wordpress will give you an option: run who is, see recent traffic, block IP address. So if we say see recent traffic, see, this is the guy, and he's using a Mozilla web browser, Mozilla Fax web browser. His computer is Windows NT, you see, Apple WebKit, and all this. And the guy is from Russia. He's the one who has given me sleepless nights every time logging into my account. So what do we do with this guy? See, block IP, block it. So the guy is blocked. See? So that is the guy. All these are his login attempts, and you can see the IP address remains the same. See, they are now asking us, can we unblock it? No. Block. The IP is blocked. You see, it is the same. I only blocked once, and all these are blocked. So at least now we shall have some peace of mind. We've done away with this nigger. Bye, you Russian mafia. I don't want to see you again. My website, I don't know what you're looking for, and it is not for a good cause. So with that, I'll go back to users and select everything, remove this, and then click here and delete these accounts. Confirm deletion. Again, select all, remove this because I'm the admin. Again, delete, apply. There are so many, it will take some time. All right, as I continue deleting, thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you're facing the same problem, please install Wordfence. And if you don't know how to install Wordfence, I'll surely make a video on how to install Wordfence on your WordPress website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.